an unboxing for you of a new Beyblade. I never got Five Below. So Five Below has terrible Beyblades. Who cares? We still got Beyblades, and this is Beyblade channel. Beyblade Burst Evolution, Rocktivore R2, which means this is Raging Rocktivore. My brother is talking, which is disrupting the video. And this is just something I'm telling you. So go ahead and watch that video in about 5 minutes, I guess. Oh my God! We're riding in the test.